Alright, so before we move on, we first of all need to install two things. The first one is Node.js. Now to download Node.js, just go to this website nodejs.org and then it's download section /en/download. Now depending upon your operating system, you need to install Node.js. Like for example, if you're using Windows 32-bit operating system, just simply click on this thing. And now if you're using Windows 64-bit operating system, just simply click on this thing. And now similarly, if you're using Mac, just simply click on this thing. Similarly, if you're using Linux, just simply click on this thing right here and it will start downloading Node.js on your computer. And now I will be using Windows 64-bit operating system in this course, so I need to click on this thing right here. But I'm not going to click on this link because I already have downloaded Node.js on my computer. But in your case, just simply click on any one of these links to download Node.js on your computer. And once it is downloaded, just go to the download section to install Node.js on your computer. Okay, so it is actually a very simple process. Just simply click next a couple of times and it will be successfully installed on your computer. And once it is installed, you can just simply open your command line and start writing down your JavaScript code. But it's going to be really difficult for you in that way. So what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be using an IDE to write down our JavaScript code. Now you can use any IDE or integrated development environment of your choice. Like for example, you can use Sublime. You can even use Notepad++ if you want. But the one I'm going to be using is the most popular one, and it is known as Visual Studio Code. Now, again, depending upon your operating system, you need to download VS Code as well. Like for example, in my case, Windows, I need to click on this thing right here. And now if you're using Linux, just simply click on this thing depending upon your operating system. And now similarly, if you're using Mac, just simply click on this thing right here and it will start downloading VS Code on your computer as well. And once it is downloaded, again go to the download section and then just simply install VS Code on your computer as well. So again, it is actually a very simple process. Just click next a couple of times and it will be successfully installed on your computer as well. And once it is successfully installed, you can actually open it like this by searching it in the start menu and then just opening this thing right here, which is Visual Studio Code, which is basically its app. So once you actually open it, will actually open this screen right here. Now in here, you can actually create JavaScript file, you can create HTML file, CSS file, whatever you want. You can open a file, you can actually open folders, you can actually create folders, whatever you want to do in this IDE. And this is what we're going to be doing in the coming videos. We're going to be creating files. We're going to be actually creating folders where we're going to be putting our files and images and all things we need in our JavaScript. Okay, so this is what we're going to be doing in the coming videos. So for now, if you have any problem downloading Node.js or Visual Studio Code, then just let me know and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Now, the next video, thank you for watching and I will see you guys next time.